What's good, Career Wars? It's your boy Anthony Harris back again with another video. If it's your first time ever clicking on any of my videos, I'm Anthony Harris. I am the founder and the CEO of Legacy Careers LLC, where I've been a corporate executive for well over a decade, where I've interviewed, hired, and trained thousands of business professionals. I've also sat in the executive boardroom where I've made hiring decisions on candidates just like you. If you would like a lot of more of my insider knowledge and tips and tricks, make sure you like and follow and subscribe to this page for more. Now, in this new segment I'm going to introduce to my channel this week is Jobs Insights with my Legacy Insights. So I'm going to give you a job of the week in a particular job sector, and I'm going to give you my insider knowledge on how you can land these jobs and have a leg up above your competitors. So this week's jobs career sector I'm going to highlight this week is technology and AI systems. It's expected to grow by over 22% in 2025, so why not start there? So we're going to start off with entry-level job position for this type of career role. So if you're somebody who likes to work remote, all of these positions I'm going to talk about today are remote. So if you like remote job opportunities, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow, and stay tuned. Now, this first job is, of course, fully remote. It's also going to combine experience in sales and technology, and it's also going to combine sales and sports. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned for more. So the first job itself we're going to talk about today is from Riddle. So if you answer yes to any of those questions just above, then then this job may be right for you. So today we're going to talk about a job position as an advanced technology sales rep at Riddle. So Riddle is a leader in sports technology, and they're looking for somebody to help drive their sales market in their helmet technology, which is a subscription-based service as well. So Riddle itself, as you can see here, this position is fully remote as promised. It is paying between $50,000 and $65,000 a year, and it is a full-time position. Now, in this role itself, you'll be responsible to driving their market and their investment on their smart helmet technology and their insight analytics subscription-based service. So this one, you're going to basically be head the impact monitoring system in football. So this one does combine especially your love of sport and sales. So if you want to help them expand their smart helmet technology market, provide sales support in their technology with the sales reps and their customers, and make sure you attend conferences for Riddle, this is a perfect role for you. Now, this role is fully remote, but does require up to 80 to 90% worth of travel. So make sure you keep that in mind before applying. Now, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a legacy tip. Make sure that you tailor your resume to highlight skill sets such as customer service, sales experience, and things with data analytics. So now make sure if they do not list the hiring manager here, how you can do on LinkedIn, which is why I love this website. You can click on that company name, then go to people, and in 2 seconds, we have now found the HR director at Riddle, who now we can message directly with a copy of our resume to give us a leg up and tell them how much we're interested in this role and this company. Now, if you're interested in this role and more, make sure you go to riddle.com and make sure you go to their website, figure out a little bit of background about the company, and apply directly. Link down in the description below. Now, the next job we're going to talk about is an IT coordinator role, which is still an entry-level position that is paying out fully remote, that is paying out between $55,000 and $65,000 a year, and it's still a full-time position. Now, this is basically with a company called Encore Technology. Encore Technology is a dynamic leader in the IT solutions, and they're searching for a skilled professional who's ready to help drive in their successful execution and management of their innovative technology projects. So this role itself is called the IT Technology Project Coordinator role. They do already give you the technical recruiter who you can message directly after you apply to this role to let them know how much you're interested in this role. Now, in this job itself, you'll be responsible for collaborating with other project managers and stakeholders to help develop project plans. You'll also be responsible for managing resources and monitoring project risk. You also will serve as the central point of the contacts for project-related communications. So I'm gonna give you a legacy tip for this role. Before you apply, make sure you also include in your resume examples of IT projects that you've managed previously. Be ready to discuss them in the interview as well. So if you're interested in this role, make sure you go to Encore Tech, look a little bit more about this company itself, link down in the description below of how you can apply directly to this role. Now, we're gonna move up from entry-level roles to management level roles. So this next role is a manager of technology service role, which is still fully remote. So are you somebody who loves IT, leading IT teams? Do you enjoy working remotely and managing multiple people with ease? And are you passionate about combining education and technology? Then this role may be perfect for you. It's at Learning Network. Learning Network is an education technology company who's dedicated in driving innovative technology solutions to students and educators. So in this role itself, you'll be leading IT teams and overseeing cloud-based subscription services and ensuring the cybersecurity quality, and compliance standards are being met at this company. You'll also be responsible for managing and other help desk operators and service level professionals. Now, in this role itself, it pays out between $100,000 and $120,000 a year. It's fully remote and is a full-time position. So if you're interested in this role, make sure that you go to their website, thelearning-network.org, and go down in the description down below and click the link to apply for this. I'm giving you a little bit of a legacy tip before you apply. Make sure that you highlight any leadership and IT infrastructure expertise in your resume. Make sure you're also ready to discuss that in your interview and give them quantifiable achievements of how you've done this in your previous roles. The last role that we're going to talk about is the director's level role. This is an information technology director levels roles at Datos Insights. Datos Insights is a forward-thinking company who's looking for a new IT director to oversee their technology procurement, AI integration, and innovative initiatives. So in this role itself, you'll be responsible for developing a roadmap for their AI adoption program, managing their technology procurement, and working cross-functionally in their IT teams. This role again pays out between $140,000 and $150,000 a year. It is fully remote and it is another full-time position. The talent acquisition manager is right here on the link itself, where you can apply directly and message them and let them know how much you're interested, and also make sure you slot them your resume. Now, make sure you go to their website also at datos-insights.com in order to learn more about this company and make sure this is a perfect fit for you in your next role. Now, I'm gonna give you a legacy tip for this role as well. Make sure that you tailor your resume to showcase your leadership experience, your strategic vision, and your expertise in AI technologies, and also be ready to discuss these insights into any interview that you may be going on. And that's it, career warriors. Those are the top 4 jobs in AI and technology that you can get a hold of today. Make sure you go down in the description down below if you're interested in any of these jobs. Make sure you also take heed to my legacy tips when applying for these roles so you can have a leg up above the competition. If you have any other questions or concerns, make sure you drop them down in the description. Make sure if you also want to work one-on-one with me and my team to help you land any of these jobs, you can book a 30 or 60-minute career strategy session down below, and we'll work on this, your resume, your cover letters, and your LinkedIn optimization to where you could be a perfect fit for any of these roles. Any other questions, please let me know down in the comments. Peace.